Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about the job openings at Amazon. Any degree, any passed outs can apply for this job. If you're freshers or experienced, both can apply for these jobs without coding knowledge. Let's see the job description, roles and responsibilities, preferred and required qualification details, benefits of this job and so on. If you want to know more about job openings, career development, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications about new videos. Come on, let's go to video. Job role 1. Associate Retail Process CMT. Job description. CMT is seeking candidates who will be responsible for monitoring pricing parameters and involve audit operation where he or she are desired to identify products through continuous audit. The successful candidate should have the ability to work at all levels with an eye for detail to achieve process goals, actively seek to understand Amazon's core values and translate those into everyday practices. Ideal candidates will excel in a fast-paced, multitasked dynamic team environment. Basic qualifications/skills. Graduate in any discipline. Work experience, 0 to 2 years. Execute assigned project components of specific audit processes. Possesses excellent written and oral communication skills. Should be able to dive deep and identify the root cause of the issues and get them fixed by coordinating with different teams. Working knowledge of computers, basic MS Office related skills. Basic analytical and logical reasoning skills. Proficient in English. Excellent verbal and written communication skills in English with the ability to face external and internal customers in a professional manner. Preferred qualifications. Proficient in MS Excel and other MS Office tools. Having statistical knowledge on averages, trend, outliers, charting, etc. would be an advantage. Experience/knowledge of SQL and macros, but not mandatory. Working experience in online retail operations or similar fields is A+. Excellent written and verbal communication in English. Additional information. Salary details, 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. Freshers and experienced both can apply for this job. Any degree or any specialization can apply for this job. Job type, full-time, work from home, location, Chennai. Shifts, rotational shifts. It is a 24/7 shift environment and shifts are rotational, changes every 3 to 4 months. Weekly off, 2 consecutive days off. It is a 5-day working week with 2 consecutive days off. The off days may change every 3 to 4 months. Job role 2. Associate Digital Process Sparks. Job description. The associate will need to understand different operational techniques to ensure attention to detail. Accuracy of processing is of utmost importance, followed by speed. The associate will need to deliver results that meet or exceed expectations and should be able to perform root cause analysis on errors and recommend process improvements to drive process efficiency. The associate should also be a team player and be willing to share his/her knowledge. The associate should be able to generate ad hoc operational reports, carry out tactical communication to stakeholders and ensure timely resolution of tickets. This role will report to the operations manager. Roles and responsibilities. Gain a thorough understanding of the business and operational area. Identify, analyze, and resolve repetitive issues. Ensure all process documents are managed and updated. Provide reports and data as requested and support the team lead on escalations. Provide inputs to training and help in shaping training content. Knowledge and skills / business acumen / education and experience. Comfortable in a fast-paced, multitasked, high-energy environment. Creative and analytical problem solver with a passion for operational excellence. Flexible work schedule. Fair understanding of project management skills. Preferred qualifications. Work experience, 0 to 2 years. Possesses excellent written and oral communication skills. A bachelor's degree or higher is required. Working knowledge of computers, basic MS Office related skills. Basic analytical and logical reasoning skills. Proficient in English. Excellent verbal and written communication skills in English with the ability to face external and internal customers in a professional manner. Additional information. Salary details, 4 lakhs per annum. Freshers and experienced both can apply for this job. Any degree, any specialization can apply for this job. Job type, full-time, work from home. Location, Chennai. No contracts, it's permanent jobs. Shifts, rotational, it is a 24/7 shift environment and shifts are rotational, changes every 3 to 4 months. Weekly off, 2 consecutive day off, it is a 5-day working week with 2 consecutive days off. The off days may change every 3 to 4 months. Interview process. Online assessment. In this round 30 questions will be cleared by 60 minutes. 1. Quants, 10 questions. 2. Logical reasoning, 10 questions. 3. Verbal ability, 10 questions. Technical round. Field of interest question will be asked. Some questions will ask from your core subjects or your previous projects. HR round. What details you have mentioned in your resume, salary expectation, experience, etc. All the best. Thanks for watching.